We pop by as much as we can, you know, to the point where Eileen is like, stop popping by. Hi, my name is Keith. I'm 30 this year. I'm doing distribution in the radio industry.
Hi, I'm Kelly. I'm 31 this year. I'm a financial advisor in Life.
5-room DBSS in Taman Jurong. Why we're looking at this area is because it's a very quiet neighborhood. A good mix in terms of a hectic lifestyle and then coming home to a more quiet place. When you enter the house, you walk past this entryway with the kitchen at the front and you reach the living room and the dining area with the balcony. And then you walk through an alleyway, you walk past the toilet, the 2 rooms and 1 master bedroom. The general theme of the house started with industrial kind of, we want to add industrial elements and all, and then eventually I think just started to be a mix of many things. And I don't know what to call it anymore.
The color that we chose is grey color for the industrial theme, but we also like some basic color like the black and the white color.
Because we like toys, display and cute stuff, so we wanted to have a dedicated space to store those items. And we thought like, why don't we just put it at the front, right? Where the moment you open the door, you'll be greeted by these things. The common toilet being more of a fancy toilet you see at the bar. So if you go in, there's the lighting and all, we try to emulate that kind of concept. We have 3 bedrooms because we are quite individualistic, so we like having our own space to play games, to work on our own projects, etc. So a room for each of us was very important. For my room, well, the concept is simple. I just need it to be a space where I can work on my projects. As for her room, she has to do a lot of paperwork. Just need a nice space for her to be productive at work. And of course, if you see along the way, you see a shelf with a lot of bags and all that stuff. You know, like, girls love this kind of stuff.
Yeah, I think a home is where we spend our time with our loved ones, like our family members. It's not like I get back from my work, I come back home, I just sleep and eat like a routine. But like spending time with my loved ones add like personal touch to the house. Yeah, creating memories together.